Very happy with this Maxtek 10.4 millimeter standard single clear CD jewel case. This is a 50 pack, and these are super high quality. Had a bunch of old CDs and DVRs and stuff, and these are just excellent, excellent gel cases. I'm so glad I got this pack. Would not hesitate to order them again. Didn't even think about returning them. These things are solid. They close nice and tight. Super high quality. Um, Box was kind of heavy, but there's 50 of them in there, so it's gonna be kind of heavy. And yeah, just really good quality. Had a bunch of old rap, hip hop, reggae, even some classical CDs, and a bunch of them were just sitting on top of each other, getting all scratched up. You know what CDs are like. If you get more than 10 or 20 scratches on them, the laser is not gonna skip over them and kind of get the information you want and the music you want out of them. They're very, very fickle, so you absolutely, absolutely have to keep them in cases all the time. So, highly recommend this. Excellent purchase, good quality stuff, well made. Don't hesitate to get these. It's a good pack. Um, Strong materials. They haven't cracked, so goodbye.